Have you ever pondered the unseen consequences of an intimate moment's decision? Picture this: two individuals caught in a passionate embrace, a decision poised in the balance. It may seem inconsequential in the heat of the moment, but the choice to use a condom or not can have far-reaching implications. In the grand tapestry of human existence, the condom, a simple sheath of latex, is an unsung hero. It's often overlooked, perhaps seen as a minor inconvenience, a mood killer, or an unnecessary precaution. But let's shift our perspective. Let's consider the condom not as a passion extinguisher, but as a guardian, a protector, a tiny warrior in the battle against unseen foes. Unprotected sex can lead to unwanted pregnancies and sexually transmitted infections, or STIs. These are not just abstract concepts or problems that happen to other people. They are real, tangible consequences that can turn an individual's life upside down. An unplanned pregnancy can derail plans, dreams, and aspirations. STIs, on the other hand, can lead to long-term health issues, including infertility, chronic pain, and in some cases, even death. Using a condom is a responsible decision, a sign of maturity and respect for oneself and one's partner. It's not just about physical protection, it's also about emotional well-being and peace of mind. You're not just preventing potential consequences, you're also fostering a healthy attitude towards sex, promoting open communication, and setting an example for responsible behavior. Think about it. A moment's decision, the choice to use a condom, can prevent a cascade of unforeseen outcomes. It can save you from emotional turmoil, from health issues, from having to make tough decisions. It can protect your future, your dreams, your aspirations. It's not just a piece of latex. It's a ticket to a worry-free, intimate experience, a safeguard for your life's journey. So the next time you find yourself in the heat of passion, remember the unseen consequence. Remember the power that you hold in your hands. Make the smart choice. Protect yourself. Protect your partner. Protect your future. In essence, the simple act of using a condom can prevent life-altering outcomes. So, how does this small, unassuming piece of latex serve as our protective shield? It's a question that may seem simple, but the answer holds a world of significance. Picture this: a battlefield, but not the kind with swords and shields. This is a microscopic battlefield where the enemies are sexually transmitted infections and unwanted pregnancies. Our weapon? The humble condom. At its core, a condom is a barrier. It's a physical wall that stands between two bodies during intimate contact. But it's not just any wall. It's a meticulously designed and finely crafted barrier that keeps out what we wish to avoid and contains what we want to protect. When we delve into the mechanics of it, the condom works in two primary ways. First, it prevents the exchange of bodily fluids. This is crucial because many sexually transmitted infections, such as HIV, gonorrhea, and chlamydia, are spread through these fluids. By blocking their path, the condom effectively reduces the risk of these infections being passed from one person to another. Secondly, the condom acts as a barrier to sperm. This is where it plays a pivotal role in preventing unwanted pregnancies. When used correctly, it catches the sperm, preventing it from reaching and fertilizing an egg. But here's the thing: a barrier is only as good as its use. A condom sitting in a drawer or a wallet doesn't do anyone any good. It needs to be used, and used correctly every time. And when it is, it's remarkably effective. Studies have shown that when used correctly and consistently, condoms are 98% effective at preventing pregnancy and significantly reduce the risk of STIs. So you see, this small, unassuming piece of latex is more than just a barrier. It's a shield that protects us, our partners, and our futures. So don't underestimate its power. Embrace it, use it, and let it protect you. Indeed, condoms are your first line of defense in a world where the unseen can have significant impact. But did you know that the benefits of using condoms extend beyond just physical protection? Indeed, this humble latex barrier is more than just a shield against sexually transmitted infections and unplanned pregnancies. Its advantages reach into realms that may surprise you. So let's delve into the deeper layers of benefits that condoms offer. First off, condoms can enhance sexual pleasure. Yes, you heard that right. There's a myriad of condoms out there specifically designed to increase the thrill of intimacy, from ribbed and studded textures that provide extra stimulation to thin varieties that promise a barely there feel. Condoms can add a whole new dimension to your sexual experiences. Next, let's talk about mutual respect and consent. Using a condom is a clear expression of respect for your partner's health and well-being. It sends a powerful message that you care about their comfort and safety, fostering trust and intimacy in your relationship. Plus, the act of reaching for a condom encourages communication about consent, which is a cornerstone of any healthy sexual relationship. Furthermore, condoms can boost your overall sexual health. Regular condom use can reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, such as cervical and penile cancer, which are linked to human papillomavirus. They also help to maintain a balanced vaginal flora by preventing bacterial vaginosis, a common condition that can lead to serious health complications if left untreated. Lastly, condoms can contribute to your peace of mind. Knowing that you're protected allows you to fully immerse yourself in the moment, free from the worries of potential consequences. This mental tranquility can greatly enhance your sexual satisfaction. In a nutshell, condoms are more than just protective barriers. They're tools of pleasure, symbols of respect, promoters of health, and providers of peace of mind. They help create a safe and satisfying sexual environment, enabling you to enjoy your intimate moments to the fullest. Clearly, the use of condoms can bring about a myriad of benefits, some of which you may never have considered before. Let's quickly revisit the key points we've discussed today. In our exploration of the often underappreciated condom, we've delved into some profound territory, shedding light on its multifaceted role in our lives. A vital point to note, and one we've touched on extensively, is the unseen consequence. The condom, this simple sheath of latex or sometimes polyurethane or lambskin, acts as a guardian, a shield against the unseen and often unexpected. It stands as a barrier between us and sexually transmitted infections, reducing the risk significantly. But it doesn't stop there. It's not just about protection from the unseen. The condom also plays a pivotal role as the protective shield. When used correctly and consistently, it drastically reduces the chances of unplanned pregnancies. It's a tool of empowerment, allowing us to take charge of our reproductive health, to plan and to choose when we want to bring a life into this world. And then there are the benefits beyond. Condoms aren't just about disease prevention or birth control. They're a symbol of mutual respect between partners, a testament to the understanding that our actions have consequences and that we owe it to ourselves and to each other to act responsibly. They encourage open conversations about sexual health, breaking down barriers, dispelling myths, and promoting a culture of informed decision-making. As we wrap up our discussion, let's remember that condoms are more than just a product. They're a choice, a statement, a commitment to our health and well-being, and to the health and well-being of our partners. They're a testament to our capacity to make informed decisions, to take charge of our lives, and to prioritize safety and health above all else. So, as you navigate your journey through life, remember the unseen consequence, the protective shield, and the benefits beyond. Remember the power of choice and the impact of informed decision-making. Remember, your choices today can shape your tomorrow. Choose wisely, choose safety, choose condoms.